This video brought to you by Wendy's with BJ Moore.
Are we recording?
Yeah, we've been recording.
Okay. Oh, where to start? First off, hello. My name's BJ Moore from the house, sponsored by Rotogrip Turbo. I'm here. Ballard versus the Big C. Go Dell. So we're gonna talk about tomorrow or today, technically, our game plan for Chameleon. Honestly, I got nothing. My game plan for Cheetah was completely backwards of what I expected it to be. Hence my very low score of the first block and rather bigger score of the second block, actually, when I first saw it. So yeah, I think some pin down balls are going to be my play to help kind of control the reaction a little bit. I think the pin up ones are going to be a little too quick. So I'm going to go with some pin downs on maybe some oldie goodies like a matchup Black Pearl. Got phase 2 in there. Yeah, and then we'll see. I'll have to roam around the paddock and see what speaks out to me. I think that's going to be a big one. But yeah, so off to a good start so far, I guess. Considering the morning block for Cheetah was a little rough. Second block was good, and now we go into Chameleon, and I'm gonna go in with 0 expectation because I think I got a little too far ahead of myself today. So I'm gonna just do me, be myself, see what I can do, and hopefully have a little confidence booster tomorrow. That's that's about all I got.